Hey, you ready to step? I could do this at a gym, but I'm showing you that you can step and get fit from the comfort of your own home. Let's step. All right, basic movement. 3, 2, 1, curl. Hey, high knees. Walk it out. Turn. Back to the beginning. All right? Nice and easy. Hey. Hey. Abs tight. Abs tight. Breathe. Alright? That's just a basic movement. Basic routine. Let's stick to that routine for a while till you get it down pat. Then move on. Alright? Subscribe, like, share. Let's step.